Ever wondered how to delete a TikTok video? Perhaps you shared a dance-off that didn't go as planned, or maybe you simply want to declutter your profile. Here's your step-by-step guide on how to do just that. First, open the TikTok app. You'll find yourself on the home screen. From here, tap on the profile icon, located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will lead you to your profile, where all your TikTok videos live. Now you're looking for the video you want to say goodbye to. Scroll through your video grid until you find the one. Once you've found it, tap on the video to open it. With the video open, you'll see 3 dots, or the More icon, usually located on the right side of your screen. Tap on this More icon to reveal a list of options. Among these options, you'll find the Delete button. It's usually represented by a trash bin icon. Give it a tap, but be careful. We're about to make some irreversible changes. A pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm your decision. Remember, deleting a video means saying goodbye to all its views, likes, and comments. If you're sure, tap Confirm, and there you have it. The video is now gone from your profile, vanished into the digital ether. So to recap, open TikTok, go to your profile, select the video, tap on the More icon, choose Delete, and confirm your decision. Remember, each video is a part of your TikTok journey, so think twice before you decide to erase those memories. But if you do decide to clean up your profile, now you know how. Happy TikToking!